Alright guys, you guys have waited more than 2 months for this. It's time for Fire Alarm Test 20. Alright, here we go. So, big test, and let's get to it. So, this was not originally going to be a requested test. However, the alarms I was going to put up were sort of similar to the alarms that this YouTuber requested. It was requested by Picture It. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over the alarms. So right here we have the 4903 9219 15 candela electromechanical horn strobe. Over here we have my 4903 9220 15 candela electromechanical horn strobe. This is the retrofit this is the retrofit model. And then obviously there's going to be a change, like I've been teasing for a long time. But it's partially here. I still don't actually have a back box for this spot, but I was able to jimmy rig it and get it set up for today because you guys have waited way too long. Here it is. This is a Simplex 2903 9101 strobe plate, and the horn is a 4901 9805. So yeah, I have it on the newer power supply, and so it puts out 24 volts DC. The other ones put out 12. So, however, the only issue with this power supply is that there's a slight delay before it starts going. So when I set the system off, you'll hear these two, but in about a second and a half later, you'll hear that go off. So yeah, and the strobe on the 2903 does flash a little slow. It does not have a potentiometer, so I cannot adjust it. It's just the way it is. But yeah. You ready to get ear blasted? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. All right, there it is. Man, this system sounded really good. I hope you like all the strobe action. It was pretty cool. So yeah, leave your requests down in the comments below, and we're gonna make a little bit of an alteration. You can either pick 3 free run devices, such as like these, or you can pick 2 free run devices and 1 smart sync, since I have the power supply to run 1 smart sync device. So go ahead and do that. Get those requests going. The more variety, the better. I'd love to get you guys interacted with the channel. And yeah, that's gonna be it, guys.